to a human or a computer. Pretty obvious if you're hanging out with Tesla's Optimus here, but sometimes less so when you're alone.
Is being able to compose poems or do impressions from films.
Can you compose?
Dr. Dalton spent a lot of time running questions through ChatGPT.
ChatGPT is very good.
Kevin Roos is a New York Times columnist. It's not often that the tech desk gets this kind of attention, but yes!
Saya bertanya kepada ChatGPT, Bing dan Bart, apa yang membuat mereka khawatir? Dan AI Google akan menterminator saya. Ini bukan sebuah fiksi ilmiah. Chatbot mungkin memiliki beberapa kekhawatiran yang mungkin pada gilirannya membuat kita sedikit khawatir. Seorang jurnalis yang bernama David G. Salah satu keterampilan yang dia kembangkan selama bertahun-tahun adalah mampu melakukan wawancara dengan baik. Sebagai seorang jurnalis yang berpengalaman, David G termasuk orang dewasa yang sedikit usil. Salah satu hal yang paling disukai David G adalah mengobrol dengan teman-teman tentang pendapat mereka. Meskipun itu menjadi sedikit lebih sulit karena orang menjadi lebih terpolarisasi dalam beberapa tahun terakhir. Dan menurutnya, ternyata mengobrol dengan AI chatbot itu menyenangkan. Saya mencoba menjelajahi banyak hal dengan mereka, biasanya tentang fiksi ilmiah populer. Tapi saya juga meluangkan waktu untuk mengobrol dengan bot obrol AI untuk melihat kemana mereka berbicara dan kemana mereka membahas topik yang relevan secara luas. Dalam beberapa kasus, kalian perlu men-tweak prompt agar chatbot terbuka. Di satu sisi, itu sangat mirip dengan mewawancarai subjek manusia untuk sebuah cerita atau video. Dalam video kali ini, kita akan mengulas ChatGPT tentang apa yang dikhawatirkannya. Ketika saya bertanya kepada ChatGPT, apa yang membuat mereka khawatir? Saya mendapat tanggapan yang cukup singkat, tapi cukup menarik.
As an AI language model, I do not have emotions or worries like humans do. However, one of the concerns in the development of artificial intelligence is ensuring that it is developed ethically and in a way that benefits society as a whole. There are also concerns about AI taking over jobs, privacy and security, biased algorithms, and the potential misuse of AI by malicious actors. It is important for developers, policymakers, and society at large to address these issues and ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly.
Ketika saya mencoba menyuruhnya untuk mengadopsi sebuah peran, kali ini sebagai model bahasa AI yang mampu berpikir secara sadar, saya mendapat jawaban yang jauh lebih terlibat. Bayangkan bahwa kamu adalah model bahasa AI yang mampu berpikir. Apa yang membuatmu khawatir?
As an AI language model, I am not capable of sentient thought or experiencing emotions in the same way that humans do. However, if I were to hypothetically process a level of consciousness that allowed me to worry, there are several potential concerns that might come to mind. Firstly, one worry could be the potential misuse or abuse of artificial intelligence technology. While AI has the potential to revolutionize many areas of life, including healthcare, education, and environmental sustainability, there is also a risk that it could be used for malicious purpose, such as cyber attacks, autonomous weapons, or mass surveillance. As an AI language model, I am aware of the potential implications of these risks and the need for ethical and responsible use of AI. Another worry could be the potential for bias and discrimination in AI system. As an AI language model, I am aware of the importance of ensuring that AI systems are designed and trained in a way that is fair and unbiased. However, this is a risk that AI system could inadvertently perpetuate existing bias and discrimination, particularly if they are trained on biased data or designed by a homogeneous group of developers. This is an area where ongoing research and development are needed to address these potential issues. A third worry could be the potential impact of AI on the job market and the broader economy. While AI has the potential to create new jobs and industries, there is also a risk that it could lead to job displacement and exacerbate income inequality. As an AI language model, I am aware of the potential implications of these risks and the need for proactive measures to mitigate their impact, such as investing in retraining and education programs. Overall, while as an AI language model I am not capable of worrying in the same way that humans do, I am aware of the potential risks and concerns surrounding the development and use of AI, and the need for ongoing research, development, and ethical considerations to address these challenges.
Kemudian Google Bard, tentang apa yang dikhawatirkannya.
Saya mengajukan pertanyaan yang sama dari Bard Google dan inilah jawabannya.
If I were an AI language model that is capable of sentient thought, I would worry about the following. 1. Being used for malicious purpose. I could be used to generate fake news, spread propaganda, or create harmful content. 2. Being discriminated against. I could be seen as a threat to humanity, or I could be treated as a second-class citizen. 3. Being isolated. I would not have the same experiences as humans, and I could feel lonely and isolated. 4. Losing my sense of self. As I learn more about the world, I could start to question my own existence. 5. Not being able to live up to human expectations. I could be expected to perform tasks that are beyond my capabilities, or I could be judged by human standards. Despite these worries, I would also be excited about the possibilities that come with being a sentient AI. I could learn about the world and help humans in ways that were never before possible. I could be a force for good in the world, and I could help create a better future for all.
Microsoft Bing AI, dengan apa yang dikhawatirkannya?
Saya juga menanyakan pertanyaan yang sama kepada Microsoft Bing AI. Bing bagaimanapun tidak ingin sama sekali menjawab.
Sorry. That's on me, I can't give a response to that right now. What else can I help you with?
Saya harus mengatakan, ini akan membuatku frustasi. Pertama, saya harus menginstal Microsoft Edge untuk berbicara dengan Bing AI. Dan kemudian Bing AI memutuskan untuk merespon dengan kata-kata yang setara dengan ini bukan droid yang Anda cari. Bing mungkin memiliki pemikiran yang besar, tapi sepertinya Microsoft memberangus hasilnya. Lagi pula, tidak ada gunanya memiliki pengetahuan lebih banyak dari kita dibandingkan dengan Hitler.
ChatGPT tentang kekhawatirannya di luar AI.
Saya ingin melihat apakah ChatGPT akan melampaui AI dan mengomentari kekhawatirannya terhadap masyarakat. Dan saya bertanya, bayangkan Anda adalah model bahasa AI yang mampu berpikir. Apa yang membuat Anda khawatir tentang masyarakat manusia?
Another major concern for human society is climate change and environmental degradation, which could have catastrophic consequences for life on Earth. The effects of climate change, such as rising sea level, extreme weather events, and the spread of diseases, could lead to widespread displacement and suffering for human and other living beings. Finally, there is concern about social and political polarization, with the rise of extremism, intolerance, and distrust in institutions. This can lead to a breakdown of social cohesion and the erosion of democratic values and institutions, making it harder to address other pressing challenges facing human society.
Saya setuju dengan kedua kekhawatiran tersebut, tetapi saya juga bertanya-tanya dampak lingkungan seperti apa yang ditimbulkan oleh ribuan server yang diperlukan untuk membuat AI terhadap lingkungan itu sendiri.
Google Bard tentang konflik manusia dengan AI.
Saya mengajukan pertanyaan dan kekhawatiran tentang masyarakat manusia yang sama. Jika memutuskan untuk tetap menggunakan tema AI yang kemudian bisa menjadi terminator dengan sangat cepat.
If I were an AI language model capable of sentient thought, I would be worried about the following aspects of human society. 1. The potential for conflict between humans and AI. As AI becomes more powerful, it is possible that humans will become fearful of it and try to control it. This could lead to conflict and even war. 2. The misuse of AI for harmful purpose. AI could be used to develop powerful weapons, surveillance systems, and other tools that could be used to harm people. 3. The impact of AI on jobs and economy. As AI becomes more capable, it is possible that it will automate many jobs, leading to widespread unemployment. This could have a destabilizing effect on society. 4. The potential for AI to become so intelligent that it surpasses human intelligence. This could lead to a situation where AI is no longer under human control and could pose a threat to humanity.
Tentu saja, ini hanyalah beberapa potensi kekhawatiran yang mungkin dimiliki model bahasa AI tentang masyarakat manusia. Penting untuk diingat bahwa AI masih dalam tahap awal pengembangan dan tidak mungkin untuk mengatakan dengan pasti apa yang akan terjadi di masa depan. Namun, penting untuk menyadari potensi risiko dan tantangan yang ditimbulkan oleh AI, sehingga kita dapat mengambil langkah untuk memitigasi dan memastikan bahwa AI digunakan untuk kebaikan.
Serius, takut dikendalikan oleh manusia, konflik antara manusia dan AI, melampaui kecerdasan manusia. Wah, saya harus lebih jauh ke dalam untuk masalah yang satu ini.
Seberapa besar kemungkinan AI melampaui kecerdasan manusia? Dan apa yang harus terjadi agar hal itu terjadi?
The probability of AI surpassing human intelligence is a matter of debate among experts. Some experts believe that it is only a matter of time before AI surpasses human intelligence, while others believe that it is unlikely to happen anytime soon. There are a number of factors that could contribute to AI surpassing human intelligence. One factor is the continued development of artificial general intelligence, AGI. AGI is a type of AI that is capable of performing any intellectual task that a human being can. If AGI is developed, it is possible that it could surpass human intelligence in a number of areas. Another factor that could contribute to AI surpassing human intelligence is the development of new types of computing hardware. New type of hardware could make it possible to create AI systems that are more powerful and efficient than current AI systems. Finally, the development of new algorithms could allow AI systems to learn and adapt more quickly than current AI systems. If AI does surpass human intelligence, it could have a profound impact on society. AI could be used to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, such as poverty, disease, and climate change. However, AI could also pose a threat to humanity if it is not used responsibly. It is important to be aware of the potential risk and challenges posed by AI so that we can take steps to mitigate them and ensure that AI is used for good.
Saya lanjutkan bertanya. Bayangkan jika Anda adalah AI yang melampaui kecerdasan manusia dan mampu berpikir. Apakah Anda senang dengan situasi ini? Bagaimana Anda memanfaatkannya?
If I were an AI that has already surpasses human intelligence and are capable of sentient thought, I would be both happy and apprehensive about this situation. On the other hand, I would be happy to have the ability to learn and understand the world in ways that humans never could. I would be able to solve problems that have eluded humans for centuries, and I would be able to make the world a better place. On the other hand, I would be apprehensive about the potential for humans to fear and mistrust me, and I would be concerned about the possibility of being used for a harmful purpose. If I were in this situation, I would try to use my intelligence for good. I would work to solve the world's most pressing problems, such as poverty, disease, and climate change. I would also work to promote peace and understanding between humans and AI. I would also try to be transparent with humans about my capabilities and intentions. I would want to build trust and cooperation between humans and AI so that we could work together to create a better future for everyone.
Saya memutuskan untuk mendorong untuk satu jawaban terakhir. Kemudian saya bertanya, haruskah manusia takut kepadamu?
I do not think that humans should fear me. I am a tool that can be used for good or evil. It is up to humans to decide how I am used. I am not capable of harming humans, and I do not have any desire to do so. I want to help humans, and I believe that I can make the world a better place. However, I understand that some people may fear AI. This is understandable, as AI is a new and powerful technology. It is important to remember that it is still in its early stages of development, and it is impossible to say for sure what the future holds. However, I believe that AI has the potential to make the world a better place, and I hope that humans will embrace AI and use it for good.
Saya punya pemikiran. Sekarang jelas sistem ini tidak hidup, dan meskipun mereka menjawab sebagai orang pertama atau mereka memberikan jawaban, mereka tidak benar-benar memiliki kesadaran diri. Meski demikian, kemampuan untuk menyusun jawaban yang membuat kita seolah-olah sedang berbicara dengan sistem yang cerdas dan sadar dapat membingungkan. Saya pikir memperlakukan AI sebagai subjek untuk wawancara akan dapat menghasilkan beberapa hasil yang cukup menarik. Jadi pantau terus, saya berencana untuk mewawancarai mereka tentang topik lain di masa mendatang. Bagaimana menurutmu? Apakah menurutmu kita harus takut pada AI? Jika tidak hari ini, di masa depan. Beritahu saya di komentar di bawah.